everyone, this is room 121 at the Travelodge in St Albans city centre. It's a single room, it's quite compact, got a double bed there, plenty of towels. Not much else in here. We've got a TV on the wall there, mirror, place to hang your coats up, desk to work on with some tea and coffee making facilities. It's a bit dark outside, so you can't really see out the window, but it's just overlooking the street with a building opposite. One good thing about this particular room though is there's USB points in the plugs next to the bed, which is always handy for plugging in your phone at night. In the bathroom, it's a stand-up shower there, sink, toilet, and basically that's it. So that's the Travelodge in St Albans city centre.